What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Julbert Abraham here. Today, we're going to do some fun. All right. And what it is we're going to talk about, and I'm going to share my screen so y'all can see this, right? I want y'all to see what I'm doing, make it bigger. How to build a $10,000 website in 10 minutes. And this is beginner friendly, so you guys can follow along and actually do the same thing. So I know that there are a lot of businesses that will pay between $8,000 to $15,000 to get a website done for their business, right? They'll hire an agency and that agency will do an amazing job in 3 to 4 months to build out an amazing website for that business, right? I'm wondering if you're a beginner, you don't have $10,000, but you want to create a business for yourself, building website for businesses. Can you do something similar? So what we're going to do is we're going to use AI. We're going to use a one prompt and we're going to use a platform called GoHighLevel to literally build a $10,000 website in 10 minutes. All right. So to do that, what I'm going to do is we're going to start by identifying what kind of website that we want to build. Let's assume that we're building a website for a school. All right. So we're going to basically have AI help us create the prompt so that we can build that website for a school. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put building a website for a school. Let's say private school. We want the site to have, and I'm writing this out so that we can actually use this to help AI help us create the prompt that we need to build this thing out. Build a website for a private school. We want the site to be premium. We want to have a way to enroll students in this private school. We want to have a application process because not everybody can get into this private school. We want this to have automation in the back end. When a student apply, they're able to get on the CRM system and be added into an automation workflow for follow-up. Okay. We want to make it professional and attractive to high-end parents who are willing to pay between $10,000 to $50,000 $50,000 for their kids to attend this private school. All right. And what I'll do, see, I kind of put this note here so you guys can see it. I'm going to highlight this, unbold it. I want to bring in a timer. Timer, 10 minutes to build out a, all right. Let's see. Boom. Start. Okay, timer has started. I'm gonna copy this. Boom. Right. And I'm gonna go to AI. Write me a prompt to build a $10,000 website for a school. Use the following information. Prompt that I can use to vibe code and GHL to build out a $10,000 website for school. Boom. So It's writing the prompt. All right. We're already at 9 minutes and 10 seconds down. Boom. The prompt is being written right now. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. So we're having AI build out the prompt for us. We are 8 minutes and 47 seconds. All right. We're not talking any website. We're talking something sophisticated. This is where the business will pay between $8,000 to $15,000 to an agency to do. So we're gonna see how close we can get. All right. Not saying you're not supposed to use the agency. I highly recommend using an agency if you have a business that actually can afford one to do this for you. But if you're a beginner and you're looking to build something that's sellable or create a business around this, well, there might be a way to come close to it. All right. Look at this. Boom. In about 8 minutes, we already got our prompt. So what we're gonna do is all right, the prompt build me a premium. We're gonna start here, converting private school website on GoHighLevel worth $10,000 plus in design and functionality. Private school targeting high net worth parents. We're gonna grab this whole thing. All right. Now, what I'm going to do is drop this prompt in AI, go to AI Studio. We're using HighLevel here. This is all done on HighLevel from the prompt writing to go into AI Studio. Copy and paste it in here, drop it in. We are now at 7 minutes and 22 seconds from our 10-minute build out. And we already have this platform started to build out, right? Explore the layout, consider the best user experience. So the AI is already working, right? So now we are down from, we got 6 minutes left. This is exciting. I don't know if we're gonna make it, but I'm excited to see how far we go in 10 minutes. Right? So as you can see, it's building it out. Let's explore the mobile responsiveness application. Um, it's taking its time to put everything together that it needs to do on its end, right? So we're calling this, if you've never seen my content, this is what called vibe coding, where you're using AI to build AI stuff, right? In this case, this is beginner friendly, where we actually showing people how they can build a $10,000 website in 10 minutes. Let's see how close we get to it. Right? We literally highlight what we want to happen, and then we put it in the AI prompt. They build out the prompt, and now it's building it out, right? Exploring mobile responsiveness application. We got 5 minutes left. And they're still exploring. So they didn't build anything yet. Let's see how far we go. This is exciting. I can't wait to see how far we go with this. All right. So if you're watching and you're wondering, is it gonna actually happen? I don't know, but I figure why not show y'all something and see how it happens. Oh, it started to build. We are at 5 minutes and 22 seconds, right? It's setting up the design right now. Design is being set, okay? Then it gonna build a global layout. Then it gotta build a home page, build the admission page, build the secondary pages. So it has some work to do. Are we gonna make it? I have no idea. But I'm excited that you part of this journey with me as it's doing its magic. All right. Even if we don't make it, I still think that this is super valuable because we're gonna show you the final product when it's done. So we had 4 minutes left. How far are we? We're still on page one. All right. Um, let's see here. Build a global layout, build homepage, build admission page, build secondary. So it's working, right? And we didn't start the timer when we started building. We started the timer when we got the prompt started. So from the prompt to building out, you know, let's see what we got. So we'll see if it's able to do it, right? If we need to extend this to more, because we got 3 minutes left. Oh man, gotta love this. All right. Oh, the first part, setup and design is done. Now it's doing the layout. Okay, we got 3 minutes left for the layout. Let's see how far we go. Oh man, it's working. It's doing its thing. All right. So I'm excited to see how far it's going. We're still gonna keep this going regardless if it passed the 10-minute mark. I just want you guys to see um how do we actually do this, right? How do we get to that point where it's working and it's making it happen? Look at that. Let's go back. We at 3 minute and 3 second. It's still building out the layout. Oh man, it has a lot of work to do, right? Because we didn't want just any website. We want a sophisticated one. Be able to enroll a student, be able to have an application process. We want automation in the back end. We want to make it professional and attractive. So high-end parents will want to pay 10,000 to 50,000 for their kids to attend this private school. So we are 2 minute and 32 second. We're still in the global layout. Let's see how far do we go. Oh man, we're definitely not gonna make that time. But you know what? We just finished the global layout. Now we do building out the homepage. We had 2 minutes and 14 seconds. Oh man. This is awesome. I don't know if we're gonna make it, but I'm excited to see how far we go with the 10 minutes. All right. And guess what? Even if we don't do it in 10 minutes, but we do it in 15. Oh, look at that. We are 1 minute and 50 seconds. This time it did not stop. It keeps going. Okay. Now, but it's building out the homepage. So is it going to get at least the homepage done and the admission page done before time is out? Let's find out. Oh, the pressure is on. We at 1 minute and 26 seconds, y'all. Let's see how far we got. We're still building a homepage. Come on, AI, need to move faster. Now, be mindful. This takes an agency with developers and designers 3, 4 months to build this out, and we're trying to do it in 10 minutes, right? Technology for you. So now imagine, oh, look at that. We at 56 seconds, guys. We're still building out the homepage. This is awesome. Oh my God. Okay. All right. Now let's see. Okay. Looks like it's gonna take us more than 10 minutes to do this. So we're still going. We're not giving up, we never give up. 32-second left. We're still building a homepage. All right. We're collapsing time here, guys. So even if we bypass that, we got 23 seconds left. So now we at 19 seconds, 18, 17, 16, 15. We're still building a homepage. 11, 10, 8, 7, 9, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And oh man, where are we? We just finished building the homepage. So we're not done yet. All right. You know what? Reset timer. Let's go. Okay. Looks like it didn't take us 10 minutes. It take us 20. All right. Now we built admission page. Okay. So the first 10 minutes is gone. Now we got 9 minutes and 45 seconds left. Okay. So it looks like this is gonna be a video where how to build a $10,000 website in 20 minutes. Hope you guys like this content. And by the way, I'm using HighLevel to build all this, right? They have the AI, they have the CRM system, they have the platform. So if you want to use HighLevel and you've never heard of it, I drop a link in the comment below and in the notes. Um, Click on that, take advantage of the 30-day free trial. That should get you set up. And then if you need additional help, we have expert in our team that can help you build things out and you can just focus on selling. And think about it. You're selling high-end website. Our team is building it out. We're both making money, right? So let's see what we got. We at 8 minute and 5:55. Look at that. It's building it out. All right. So I'm letting it build this thing out. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna ask it to, you know, a complete premium private school website for St. Jude Academy. It's called St. Jude. Um, I don't like the colors too much, right? Make it a bit look a bit nicer. So now I'm asking the system to make it look a bit nicer, right? Because right now it's kind of like halfway there, but it's getting to where it needs to be, right? I don't like the colors. I don't like how the colors looks on there. So let's see, considering color palette, thinking about font choices. So I just told it to make it look nicer. We at 7 minute and 44 second. So now we basically around, right? We have like 13-minute pass. So we're still working on it, right? So it looks like it's gonna be a 20-minute type of project. So it's planning a more pleasing user experience. That's what I want. Because if we're doing something that we want to sell for $10,000, in 20 minutes, not 10, we have to make sure that it looks the part, right? It has to looks the part. 7 minute and 11 second left. Look, it's refining the colors, it's working on the bar, it's doing his job the way it's supposed to be done, which is all that we can ask from the platform. All right. So remember, this is just a mock-up, guys. Oh, look at that. It's starting to look better already. Already, right? We at 6 minute and 40 second left. Okay, we're still tracking the time. So is it gonna take us 20 minutes to build a $10,000 website? All right. Then you might be, okay, how do I sell this? Well, super simple. You find schools, private schools, local private schools that has crappy website. Maybe it's a website from like 1992 or 1999 that they have not updated or upgraded yet. You reach out to the person that's in charge, the director or the principal, or even find out if they even have a marketing department. If they don't, then you send them an example of how you can do a site similar for them. And you ask them, would they be interested? If they said yes, great. You build it out for them. It might take you more than 20 minutes because you want to be mindful, right? But you can totally do that. And look, it's still working, it's still making his magic, it's still going his thing. We have 5 minutes and 37 second left. So by doing that, right, let's go back to the conversation. By finding the schools, reaching out to them, the one that has crappy website, and showing them a mock-up on what you can build for them, you automatically get their attention. And then now, if they're struggling with enrollment or they're struggling with communicating to parents, right? You're able to solve that problem by building them a website using HighLevel, and you can do this over and over and over again, right? And guess what? Because you're helping this private school that charge between, I don't know, $10,000 or $50,000 for enrollment to parents for the students, they'll pay you very well to do an amazing site for them. Okay. Now, this is still, a mock-up, and I'm just doing it here so you can see it. But let's see. This looks so much better. Let's go to view. We at 4 minute 32 second. Look at this. Saint Jude Academy. Wow. You could STEM program, from performing art, championship athlete, global leadership. Why family choose us. Wow. Secure your children's future. Not every child's ready for Century, but yours might be. Be the journey again. Boom. Click here, and then you can have the application process, right? That's how you start. This is amazing. Look at this. Look at this. It got the phone number, the email. You can download the admission guide. All right, student life. Wow. You know, contact information. This is amazing. The about section, we can add videos here. We can add pictures of, right? So this literally, we did all this in less than 20 minutes, right? So to me, this is amazing. And this is just the first page, right? Look at this. We could look at the academics, that page. You see what I mean? Boom. Look what that looks like. Lower school, middle school, upper school, right? College placement. So we can make this look even better than what it is now, but just so you guys can have an idea what that looks like, right? Discover our legacy, begin your application. Boom, you right through the application process, inquiry, application, assessment, interview, decision. We had 2 minutes and 46 seconds. Wow. Right. And look, I can even go deeper. I can add additional things to it. Right. But I just want to share what that would look like to build a website like this for a school that will pay you because they're a private school and they charge a lot of money to parents for their kids because they help them succeed. Remember, this is just the beginning, right? This is, what it looks like, and we can do a few different mock-up of it to get it to where it needs to be. And if you like this type of content, you want to see us do more, like, share, comment on this video. If you're thinking about starting a business where you sell $10,000 website and do them in less than a day, um, definitely click the link, use HighLevel as the platform that allow us to build a prompt, that allow us to vibe code this, and so that give you some ideas. But if you want to use an agency, highly recommend. If you want to do something for yourself and experiment and build a skill set, definitely recommend this. And then you can build a business around it for you and your family. All right. If you need help with any of this, reach out to our team. We have a specialized team that's solely focused on using HighLevel that can set all this thing up for you. And we have paid media team. We have teams from almost everything because we're a remote talent sourcing company. So hopefully this is valuable to you. Can't wait to see you at our next video. And thank you for your time. Cheers.